So we're going to look at chapter 10, problem number 16. So look at the problem. The claim is the population mean is equal to 22 degrees Celsius. That's because the original claim. And the complement for equal to mean doesn't equal to. So the one that contain the equality sign, that is the null hypothesis. And then the alternative hypothesis is this one. Then this one, they're giving you the population standard deviation. So the test statistic is z equal to x bar minus the mean for the x bar, which same thing as the mean for the x, and then population standard deviation over square root n. So the mu already is 22, and the n on the problem is 60, and population standard deviation is 1.5, and the x bar is 20 degree Celsius. So put in this formulas is 20 minus 22 over 1.5 over square root of 60. We can calculate and see what they have. That's a negative 10.33. And you could solve this problem either using the critical value method or the p-value method, or the critical value method also called traditional method. So I'm going to show you how to solve in critical value method as well as the p-value method. Okay, either or. So that is the critical value method. So this is the standard normal distributions. And then alpha on this problem is given you is 0.05. Since this one doesn't equal 2, that means 2 tail. So that means here alpha over 2. This one is also alpha over 2. So 0.05 divided by 2 is 0.025. So this one 0.025. So the z value and this is z value, they call critical value. Critical value. So this one, it is to get the z value, we could use an norm. Put in area to the left 0.025 and see what that gives you. So second VAS in norm 0.025, negative 1.96, and this one it is positive 1.96. You see negative 10.33 is much smaller than negative 1.96, so it's in the rejection region. Then we call reject the null hypothesis. And then the final wording is on the formulas that are given to you on page number 3. Does original claim include quantitative? So here's the original claim. It had an equal sign. The answer is yes. And then go reject the null hypothesis. So here's the final wording. There's sufficient evidence to warrant rejection of the claim that. So I'll write down that. claim that the population mean is 20°C. So that is how you get full credit for the whole problem. You want using critical value method, or you want using p-value method, then this one stay the same, and then go here. So p-value method. So p-value method. So here's if as test statistic negative 10.33. So this area here called is the p-value, but since it's two-tailed, then you want to multiply by 2. So think about here's another z equal to 10.33. So while adding those two areas together, that's the p-value. So p-value equal to this one 2 times normal CDF, right? Lower bound negative infinity, with a big number, and then upper bound negative 10.33. So I just compute this area and multiply by 2. So put in calculators. So if you put in calculator, they also give you almost 0, right? So then you want to compare the p-value. It is less than equal to alpha, then you reject the null. If p-value greater than alpha, you fail to reject the null hypothesis. So this one, the p-value, it is less than alpha, right? Alpha 0.05. Then you get the same wording again, right? Reject, and then reject the null hypothesis, and then find the final wording. So you want using p-value method is this part, and this part. You want critical value is this one, this one, this one.